as I walked out on the streets of Laredo. As I walked out in Laredo one day, I spied a young cowboy wrapped up in white linen, wrapped up in white linen and cold as the clay. I see by your outfit that you are a cowboy. These words he did say as I boldly walked by. Come sit down beside me and hear my sad story. I'm shot in the breast and I know I must die. Oh, beat the drum slowly and play the fife lowly. Play the dead march as you carry me along. Take me to the green valley and lay the sun on me. For I'm a young cowboy and I know I've done wrong. It was once in the saddle I used to go dashing. It was once in the saddle I used to go gay. First to the dram house and then to the card house. Got shot in the breast and I'm dying today. Go gather around you a group of young cowboys. Tell them the story of this my sad fate. Tell one and the other before they go further, to stop their wild roving before it's too late. We beat the drum slowly and played the fife lowly, and bitterly wept as we bore him along. For we all loved our comrade, so brave, young and handsome. We all loved our comrade, although he'd done